That $3 you spend daily could grow into a small fortune instead. That $3 you spend daily could grow into a small fortune instead. $134,132. I mean, think about it. That's a lot of money. And it's not just some pie-in-the-sky fantasy. It's a real possibility. So, what's the daily habit that could lead to this kind of windfall? It's just $3 a day, a tiny amount that's easy to overlook, but it's the consistency that makes it powerful. But here's the thing, $3 a day adds up quickly, and over the course of a month, it's a significant chunk of change, $90. That's a lot of coffee or a nice dinner out, but it's also a lot of potential. You know, when we're talking about habits and how they add up, it's easy to overlook the little things that can make a big difference in our finances. But what if I told you there's a way to get paid for learning new skills? Yeah, it sounds too good to be true, but it's real. Earniculum is an online platform that lets you take short courses, build real skills, and get paid for completing them. It's like getting a stipend for being curious. And the best part? It's free to join, with a paid option if you want to ditch the ads. Head to earniculum.com to join the waitlist, and I'll link to it in the description below. And if you keep this up for 30 years, the numbers get really interesting. The chart shows a steady climb, with some ups and downs along the way, but the overall trend is clear. This habit is a long-term investment. Now, let's break down the math behind this impressive figure. It's not just a matter of adding up the daily totals, it's the power of compound interest that really makes it grow. Over 30 years, $90 a month at an 8% interest rate can add up to $134,132. So what's the takeaway here? It's not just about the money. It's about the habit of saving and investing that could change your life. You might be thinking, I can do that, or I wish I had started sooner. But here's the fine print. This calculation assumes a steady rate of return and no market fluctuations. In reality, things don't always work out that way. That's the math nobody shows you.